Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can aim better in Valorant, and I will show like some tips that what you can actually do to be better aimer. So let's just start with a few tips. I'm someone who came from CSGO to this game. I really love this game and I love the mechanics of this game, so I think you will enjoy this video. The first thing is when I'm going to like practice here, what most people are doing and they're doing wrong is when you're aiming like right here, what will happen is this, is that they will, like look at this, they will do this. And like, do you see what I'm doing? That I'm firing while I'm going to attack the enemy. And most people are doing this. That they are like doing this to the enemy. What you want to do, and what you will learn to do, and it's like the best way to do it in practice, is like zoom only for the head, nothing else, and fire only when you have the cross on the head or body. It's like up to you, and this is the best way that you can do and how you can train to not fire, because it takes you milliseconds and they can kill you then. So this is the first thing I recommend. Aim for the head, but most importantly, just zoom right side and fire. Like this, like this. And now, the next thing I have for you about aiming is like learn the weapons and how they work and how much DPS. So, like, Spectre is really bad in a long distance. Phantom is worse comparing to Vandal in a long distance. Guardian is very well on long distance, but in close combat, it's not that great because you would have low fire rate. So you need to adjust your positions based on the weapons you're playing right now. So if you want to go Spectre, go with it with the Ghost. So you can aim on long distances with the Ghost. Now, and the next thing and the last thing that I'm seeing plenty of people doing this mistake is they crouch. Like, crouching in this game is completely pointless and ridiculous, only because this, like, guys, it's same when you're firing while you are standing and while you're crouching. There is no difference at all. So what you want to do is this. When you're gonna aim, just speak and fast and don't do this, because look at this. When you're gonna, like, let's say there is an enemy here. What people are doing, when you're gonna crouch, you need to always zoom top on the head. But when you're gonna standing and do this, you aim for the head. And it's much simpler going down if they're crouching comparing going up. Maybe in the past you saw that when you were crouching and wanted to, you got headshotted. Only because of this, when you're standing you have advantage comparing to a guy who is crouching. And it's not vice versa, so you always want to stand up, don't even crouch. It's like, it's pointless. Really, it is. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.